Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with some telenovela updates, right? Now, Khopolo reports casting news. Khumani Pen joins Dipe Vater. Pen has been cast on Kyknet Afrikaans telenovela and Dipe Vaters. He plays the role of Prince Siseko. Now, it got interesting to me because Ugai is always in Afrikaans telenovelas. Maybe because he speaks that good Afrikaans and he relates to the Afrikaans community. So I decided to say, let me see what other people saying in the comments about this whole thing. Uvusile says he found a home in Afrikaans productions because we hardly see him anymore in other productions. And also, could it be that Afrikaans productions pay better? Because in all honesty, we don't see him anywhere fighting for any roles with anyone. Most of the time, he would be on these Afrikaans telenovelas that we like so much because we see him there and others speaking fluent Afrikaans and we're like, wow. Could it be that there's no salary competitions, late payments, and on that side? Let me know what you think. Please do like, share, and subscribe.